Look no further than the 2018 Lexus GX. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Enjoy a view of this handsome and rugged Lexus GX, the midsize all-wheel drive luxury SUV with 3-row seating, a host of luxurious amenities, and serious off-road aptitude. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, heated rear seat, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Feel confident and supremely comfortable in this handsome GX. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.